Sorry, Ma. Are you all okay?
Yeah.
You got questions for me now? Or I go through my worksheet? Go through, eh? Okay, here we go. Have you gone through Pythagoras?
No.
No, okay. Okay, I do not know this from your textbook. It is, huh? Whether you have done this. Okay, basically, have you done Pythagoras? Yes. It's good, guys. Huh? Okay, we just test you for a while. Yeah, Pythagoras theorem. You know who's Pythagoras, right? Who is he actually? When did he live? You know when he lived? Don't know. It's 2000, about 2000 years ago, you know. He's a Greek philosopher. I think so, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, can you label the longest side? What is the longest side called? The longest side, what do you call it? Do you know?
I forgot.
Okay, hypotenuse. Yeah, hypotenuse. Okay, then you have, if your angle is here, you call this adjacent and opposite lah. But you have learned it as ABC, right? Correct, yeah? So the formula is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Is this, you know this formula? Okay, we move into the questions then. Since you're okay, let us see. Okay. Have you done this? No, right? You have not done this, huh? Okay, good. So can we try now? Wait. Find the length of the unknown side. Okay. So can we try?
But
13 good for A. What about for B? Yeah?
Eight.
8, huh? 100 minus 36, 64. Okay, 8. Okay. C?
17.
17, you're fast. 17 or? Are you sure? Okay, okay. Right. Okay, next one.
So decimal.
Decimal. Okay, I got a something. Okay, you took
Oh,
two.
wait, no. Wait.
Okay.
2.
2. Okay, well done. So that means you are okay with that. What is the requirement for Pythagoras theorem? Can it be used for all triangles?
No.
Only for right angle, huh? Triangles. Okay, well done. So we need to do especially number D. Now they want to say whether they're asking you whether is this a right angle triangle. If this is A squared plus B squared equals to C squared, can you just check for question A and D? Is it true?
A is correct.
True. Okay, now we go to D. Yeah, D is now like that. What's the square of square root 4?
2.
2. No, that's the square root of 4 is 2. Because remember, you're supposed to square this, right? Okay, you're supposed to square this, you agree? So what's the answer for this? You get 4, do you agree you get 4? When you square root it,
Yeah.
so you got 4, right? So the other one also is correct, right? 4, 4. So you add together, you get 8. And this must be square root of 8. Does it make sense? You got this 4, you got this 4. You add together, you get 8, and you square root it. So this is true. So now we come to this particular question now. I'm going to give you this number 17. This is square root, and I square it. What is this equal to? No, cannot use calculator. Based on the rule, you see. See, square root of 4 and then square it, you get 4.
Oh, 17.
70. Yeah, you need to know this because sometimes the Pythagoras theorem questions may touch on this a bit. Did you go to school today, Emma? There's no school. No school, huh? It's fun being a student. Huh? Okay, let us see now. Let me see. Okay, they want you to find. Can you prove that? Can you find AD and it's supposed to be 15, and after that you find CD. Ready? And go. You get 15?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Can you find CD?
36.
36. Wow, it's fast. 96. Well done. 36. Now, down here now, in fact, the express students, they are learning something called trigonometry. Just to tell you, but you guys will be learning that in Sec 3, I believe. But in that one, the difference is if they give you an angle and one resides, you can find any of the other sides. Now you need two sides, right, to find, right? Soon you'll be able to learn about one side and an angle, and you can find anything. In fact, from here, they can, from these two sides, they can tell you what this angle is. That there's a higher level of maths now, which the Express Sec 2 students are doing now. Can you now try question number 7? Please? 7. Just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. Karen first. Okay, have you gotten QX? What's your answer for QX?
13.93.
Really? Check. 13.9. Hold on, let me just check. No, cannot be 13.93. No. What's your what do you take for QX? No, A. Here you get 169. Down here you get 25. You minus how much you get? I think you go in plus. I still go in plus lah.
Oh, yeah.
Don't plus, minus.
12.
12, huh? Okay, good. So can you find what is YX?
20.
And what is YZ?
25.
25, well done. Well done. So it's really easy. But we'll go to some tougher ones. Let us see now. Okay, can you try this one? It's still quite basic still. It's okay, you try.
36.
36. Okay, correct. For A. For B.
26.83.
Okay, good. Good. 26.8. It's okay. Now we got to go bring you to tougher ones. This is too easy. And this is where we involve algebra. It's the same thing, Emma? It's the same thing, please. You just need to do B straight. You need to write this down. But form equation. Yeah, you know what to do, right, Emma?
Do I have to solve it?
Sorry.
Do I have to solve it?
Okay, what's your equation?
Square root bracket x plus 4 bracket square minus 18 square.
So you square root it. You don't need to. Okay, you try to solve it. You try to solve it and see whether you can get. Are you okay, Emma?
I don't know how to solve it.
Okay, can you take a photo of what you've done? I just need to see your photo. You're working.
It's a bit messy.
You're gonna show me, is it? Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Don't move, don't move. Okay, stop.
Wait, it keeps moving.
Okay, never mind. Okay, let it be. Okay, let it be. I keep moving. Okay, thanks. Thank you. Got it. Let us see now what his name. Okay, this is yours, right? So now, okay, so then you times, you got this correct. This is correct. Well done. But so you got one side, no? I think you forgot. Okay, you got this. This one is very good. This one is also there, but this one is off. So now, let us look at the. Okay, so I'm gonna write down here. This square is equals to this square plus this square. You agree? But so when you expanded it, you got x square, correct, plus 8x, correct, plus 16, correct. Now, what is it equal to? You don't need to square root it. It is equal to what? X square plus 18 square. This part you did not write. So that's it. Oh, you went to minus this, is it? No. This is what it is. This square is equals to this square plus this square. Are you confused? So I bring this over, it becomes minus x square. X square minus x square, 0. You are left with 8x plus 16. And this is equals to 324. You bring the 16 over, you minus the 16, you get 308. 8x equals to 308. X equals to, you get 38.5 if you after you divide me. Now, you might be confused, but see, always I need to square root it. Yes, that is if it's all numbers lah. Let's say now this is 5, this is 4. You want to find what this is, you need to square root the square here to find it. But here you need to form an equation. Slightly different. Are you confused? Okay, so I erase this. Okay, I'm going to erase. You try this now. Find the line BC, and then they ask you to find there's 2 parts. You're supposed to find BD and ED. Oh, well done, congratulations. Given that BC, the ratio of BC to BD is 2:5. Find BD. Can you get? Can. The ratio is given on here. So this is 10. Well done. So you got 10, right? Because you change it to 4, you got a times 2. This one got times 2, you get 10. Well done. So now the next one now, AD. AD. You have a decimal.
$14.32.
Okay, what was the formula? You took 5, is it? Do you use 5?
No.
What do you use? 3?
3 square plus 14
Where you get 14 square?
The
Remember, but BD is the whole thing is 10, you know, means from here to here, BD is 10. This one is 4, this one is 10. So what's your answer then?
10.44.
Well done. Quite easy, yeah? Now, this is a rhombus. Let us now look at, this is the internal diagonal lines. Let us search down here. Let's see. We go here. Internal diagonals of rhombus. See, do they have any diagrams here? Okay, we look at some diagrams. I can see now down here. Let us see now. Down here. This is a rhombus. Notice 90 degrees. The internal diagonals, no matter how you draw them, it is always 90, 90, 90, 90. That is what we see down here. Inside angles will always be 90, yeah? So this will be a right angle triangle. Where? Here, all this. Are you okay? Only for rhombus and not for all parallelograms. Only rhombus. Rhombus is what? All the four sides are the same. A square is a rhombus. A square is also a rhombus. Yes, it is. Are you okay? Huh? The lengths OA and OB. Okay, you got answer for A? Don't need to calculate, very easy. But they already give you 24 and 18. Here to here is 18. Here to here is 24. The diagonals divide them into two.
21.
You're getting AB, is it? Okay, down here, hold on. First of all, we are going OA. OA is half of AC. Right? It cuts it into two. So 18 divided by 2. 9. Okay. DB, BD is 24. They want OB. You divide by 2. You get
21.
12. 21 is for which one? B.
OA and OB.
Oh, you plus them together. Okay, don't plus them together. You've got to give it separate. Okay, they didn't say sum. Huh? They didn't say sum. So be careful now. They're asking you what's the length of. It's like saying, hey, how old are your parents? Huh? Then you go and plus their age together. No? Say my parent is close to 100 years old. Say, really? Really? So in that case, my mom is 40 plus. But how old is your dad?
Same age as my mom.
How old is your mom then?
I don't know.
Serious or what? Okay. All right, AB then, AB. We try AB.
Fifteen.
15, well done. Perimeter, rhombus, please. Perimeter. Very easy. And score a goal.
50.
60. Okay, good. 15 times 4, 60. Yeah. Well done, miss. Okay, let us see. Now we are getting. Is it okay? You try this. Come, question 12.
Nine.
9. Hold on. 225 minus 144. Okay, question 12. Okay, well done. What about YT? X ZT is 24.
Seven point four.
How you get 7.4? Can you explain?
24 divided by 15. Then
Okay, we write the formula. Hold on, huh? You use the formula of triangle, right? So the area down here, this is XZT is this one here. Huh? So the base is where? The base is ZT, no? Correct? The height is 12. Are you okay? You can see that, right? So half times, okay, we do not know the base, so we put X on top here. Times 12. This is equals to 24. So I can half and 12, I can divide lah. I get 1, I get 6. 6 times X, 6X equals to 24. X is equals to 24 divided by 6, get 4. So I found out this is 4. Just now you said the whole thing is 9. 9 minus 4, 5.
5.
Are you okay? So do you know where you went wrong? Did you use the formula for area of triangle?
Yeah, by divide by 15.
Divide by 15. Oh. So this cannot be the height. I remember height has to be straight. You can see, right? I mean, I'm going to draw this one like that. So this is XT is sengat type of. So the base is here. The height have to be meeting the base at 90 degrees. So this. So we measure. Let's say now this is like human being or a lady with a dress, right? Now you don't measure a height this way. You have to measure height this way. Even though she's standing in sengat way, you have to make it straight. Okay, Emma? Okay. Wait. Hold on. Hold on. We tried another one. Okay, I'm gonna draw the triangle here. Later you label, okay? You assume it's a right angle triangle lah. Oh, we cannot assume. I think, but we can label first like, okay, we cannot assume, then we label first. You have X. Okay, I thought we come back to this later. Okay, let this be the last question. Okay, last question we do today. We move on to others first. So that's the last question here. Question 14, we will do that later. You try question 1, please. Can you sketch the path down here? You know how to annotate? Can annotate? If not, I'll draw for you. If you can get. Okay, good. And then, all right. Where's Jaden? Huh? Can you write J? Where Jaden is? J must be here lah, because you travel this way. Right, yeah? J is somewhere here lah, somewhere here. Okay. Can you label 67 meters or so? I know it's not drawn to scale. Okay, well done. Okay, so they say find the distance between Jaden and so they are looking at this line here. This is supposed to be the short, not curve. Huh? This is supposed to be a straight line. Okay.
$74.25.
Well done. 74.25. Congratulations. And then that's it. That's all. That's quite easy, right? Okay, we do the next one. The next one, I'm trying to remove this. Oh, hold on. You try to see whether you can. You read whether you can understand it first. You can draw on this, no problem. Huh? Okay, can you find the difference first? What's the difference?
55.
Okay, can you indicate the 55 meters on the diagram? Okay, good. Until, okay, so you be until here, down here to here. Because down, yeah, okay, somewhere around here, somewhere around here. The difference. Okay, great. And then, can you find the distance? Okay, so they want to know the point from here to here. Find the distance between the highest point of the two buildings from here to here. Can you find it? In order to find it, you need to draw a right angle triangle. Can you draw your right angle triangle, please? Good. Well done. Okay, good.
The answer is 463.28.
How fast? 163 or 463?
463.
463. Well done. Oh, very fast, Emma. This is a new Emma, man. Let's go. This is the pre-secretary Emma. Okay, so easy, right? Okay. So can you try this one? You got to read carefully, okay? You understand what 3 and 3a is saying? You can imagine the ladder, you know? Can you imagine? So here is the ladder, right? This is the height from the ground, and this is from the wall to the ladder. So you can find now what is the length of the ladder.
$7.5.
Well done. Now, the ladder strikes are from like that, against the wall, it went zzz, went down. So now the ladder is here. They ask you to find out the new height. Very easy. They tell you down here. Oh, sorry, they tell you it's here. And your answer is?
3.
3, good. 3, yeah. The new height is 3, good. It went down by 3 meters. The new distance of the ladder from the wall, OY prime, is it? How? You know this, right? You want to find this one now. You know the length of the ladder, you know what you found here.
6.87.
Well done. Okay, 6.87. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, congratulations. See, this is like a, we can try this. Can we try this? 4.
Yes.
How do you know?
16 plus 9. 25. Then you find
So okay, maybe can you just say like this now? The rule of the thing, you can say AB squared plus BC squared equals to AC squared. This is your reasoning. This is Pythagoras theorem, right? So therefore, this one's okay. So you square root it. When you take 15 squared plus 20 squared, you square root it. Do you get 25? Yes. So therefore, you can put this as your reasoning. If they ask for a reasoning. If not, this one is yes, it's okay. Okay, the area of ABC.
50.
Well done. The last one, find length BD. You already know the area, right? You can use that, or you can use other methods, so no problem. You can use your other method.
Twelve.
You all done? This one. They have given you the perimeter, no? Can you find AD, please? You know what to do, Emma? Perimeter is the whole thing, you know? This plus this plus this plus this. You have the whole thing is here. You have this, you have this, you have this. But you don't have this, you can find this. Okay? You got a perimeter, you have this, you have this, you have this. You don't have this. Just minus. Perimeter is the whole thing. You minus what you know. You'll find what you don't know. There will be X there. There will be X there.
X minus 5.
Well done. So you got X minus 5 here. Which is the same thing here, right? Same thing here. Now they want you to find EC. Please find EC using this value. Oh, no, sorry. Don't do that way. Don't do that way. Sorry, Emma. There's a so much easier way of doing. I'm so sorry. Okay, you just, this one is 12, this one is X. How much is this one? My bad. The whole thing is 12. This one is X. So this one is
minus 12.
12 minus X. 12 minus X. Sorry, yeah. This other way is the thing, but it's too complex. And yeah. So are you okay? A mistake. I do make mistakes and I do the right number. So basically it's 12 minus X. Then now what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to form an equation now, which is where then you can use down here. You can try. Then can you get this equation? So you use this as 12 minus X. Okay, and this side is X minus 5.
What am I supposed to find?
You're supposed to form an equation. So can you form an equation from this triangle? Okay, they didn't tell you which triangle. They say they want you to form an equation to get this. But how do we form an equation? We form an equation when we know that something is equals to something, right? That means you must have an equal sign. Since you are learning this a squared plus b squared plus c squared, so you substitute, this is your c squared. This is your a squared plus b squared. So you form like that. And then later you bring all the numbers here and leave this side 0. Do you get this equation? You get it? You get it? Down here, right? A squared plus b squared equals c squared, right? You put the value like x minus 5 squared plus 12 minus x squared is equal to 5 squared. And then you bring the numbers over that side. Do you get this? So you may get an equation with bigger numbers, then ask yourself, can you divide all the numbers by whatever number? Then you can bring it down. You can simplify it.
minus 4.
Minus 4. But can you get this?
No.
No. Okay, so we do together lah. You look so tired, Emma. What happened? You just tired of maths. Okay. Now here, do you agree this is x minus 5? You do, right? This one 12 minus x, you agree, right? So we use Pythagoras theorem now. X minus 5 squared, okay. X minus 5, we square it, plus 12 minus x, we square it, is equals to 5 squared. So now we expand now. When we expand this one, x times 5, like this, you will get, I will give you the Newton version. Otherwise, it will be a little bit too long. So x times x, you get x squared here. Then x times minus 5x, minus 5 times x minus 5x, so you get minus 10x. And then 5 times 5, 25, positive 25. Same thing down here. 12 minus x times 12 minus x. In brackets, so. So 12 times 12 is 144. Okay. And then you have minus 24x. I'm just giving you the final version, okay? And then plus x squared is equals to 25. Okay, so you have x squared plus x squared, 2x squared, minus 10x minus 24x minus 34x. So 144 plus 25, you bring this over minus 25. So that means 25 gets cancelled out lah. You get plus 144. You brought the 25 over, now is 0. Now how do you break it to this? This is 2x squared, send x squared, minus 34x, minus 17x. 144, 72. I can divide this all by 2. I divide here by 2. Divide by 2, I get x squared. Divide by 2, I get 17x. Divide by 2, I get 72. Is equal to 0 divided by 2, I get 0 still. Prove it. How? Is it difficult, easy, or how?
Okay.
Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, yeah. We try this one now. This, that. Oh. They want you to find this diagonal.
35.
35, well done. You sound so tired, Emma. We will end at 9:15 again. In 3 minutes time again. Can we now do the kite. One thing about kite, you need to know. Okay, this so we go back to down here. So the diagonals of rhombus, they meet at 90 degrees. What about kite? So I'm gonna key in here kite. So notice kites, their diagonals also meet at 90 degrees. Okay, kites, the diagonals meet at 90 degrees. This is, if you were to draw a line here, it will be 90 degrees. Okay. Yeah. So we do this last question, question 6.
No.
12, well done. Next one. They tell you the perimeter is 66. The length of PQ, perimeters outside, PQ is 13 minus proven. So perimeter is 66. This plus this plus this plus this. Now for kite, now these two are the same. These two are the same. Proven, right? Okay, this one is 20. So 60 minus 66 minus 20 minus 20 minus 40 lah, is 26. 26 is for this and this. So 26 divided by 2, you got 13. 13. Why? Those two are the same. That's what a kite is. Can you find the length OP? This one. Again, 5. Okay, well done. Well done, well done. Yeah, okay. All right now. So we'll stop here, Emma. Is it okay? And okay. I'll catch up. You decide whether you're gonna have another one on Friday or not. Up to you. You message me lah. Okay, bye-bye.